Howdy do, Ben Coaton here again. Welcome back to another video. And in this video we are unboxing the Tascam Dr-60D Mk2 recorder for DSLRs. So let's get to it. So we have the outer box here of the Tascam. Opening her up, we have the instruction manual, owner's manual, very important. And the inner box, we have some polystyrene packaging. And in the polystyrene packaging, we have a USB cable. There we are, for connecting to the computer. Very good. And there we have the device, the Tascam Dr-60D in its little packaging. So there we are. Excellent. Let's have a quick look. The battery port. And what I'm going to be using this for is my DSLR camera. So we've got a few microphone ports and a connection to the camera itself, and we have a remote port too. We also have two small carrying handles or strap handles to attach to a strap really, and we have the port to put the camera on, and we have a screw mount underneath for attachment to the stand or tripod. Excellent. Thanks for watching. Check out my other videos, like this video, and subscribe to my channel for more fantastic videos coming soon. Be nice to each other. Bye bye.